Hey guys, what's up? So, I'm gonna start this tutorial off by putting a headband into my hair, make sure all my hair is like all pulled back and stuff. And then my grandma told me to try this little trick using Preparation H to put under my eyes to make the circles less noticeable. I don't think it makes too much of a difference. If anybody knows what kind of a makeup makes this horrible dark puffiness under my eyes go away, just let me know in the comments. And I want to apologize for the raspiness of my voice. I have strep right now, and I am just kind of glad to be making a video for you, right? Alright, and I got a new product for you. So this is CoverGirl Long Lasting Concealer. I'm going to use this on the dark circles of my eyes because I'm hoping that it'll make the darkness go away, which it only appears to make my eyes just whiter, not much of anything else. Now that I got it moved around, rubbed in very nicely, I'm going to grab my wonderful foundation and put that on over the top of it. Once again, I'm using my winter foundation because I'm not tan right now. And if you hear chewing noises in the background, that would be everybody's favorite little Dobby dog chewing on God only knows what, because I don't want to figure out what he's chewing on. I might have a heart attack right now. You know. But we're going to spread the foundation around, make it look all nice and beautiful. Oh yeah, I also got contour, because somebody told me to try that out as well. And I don't know if these colors match my skin. I guess I really need to go to Sephora and ask how to contour my face. I am actually just looking straight off of the instructions on the box and doing what the box is showing. But again, I don't know if these are the right colors for my face, so I apologize if this does not look good at all. As you can see the little diagram, I'm just doing exactly as it shows. Which to me, this doesn't make sense at all because it doesn't look right. Or at least I feel like I'm doing it wrong. Here I'm going to try to fix it by putting lighter tones above it, but it still looks really fucking horrible on me because reasons. I think I got too dark of a palette, that or I just don't know how to apply this stuff properly, or I'm not using the right brush, whichever one. Now I'm going to dab foundation on it, try to blend that stuff in because, oh my goodness, I don't think that it looks good on me, but hey, I'm trying. Oh look, I got brand new eyeliner for you. I got green eyeliner so I could do one of my beautiful DC characters, which that would be what I'm doing in this tutorial. This is for Pamela, or should I say Poison Ivy. I hope to have some more cool stuff in for you guys. And because I'm weird, I'm drawing little spindles on my face or vines because I can't do the cute little flourish on the end of my eye like everybody else, so I just gotta be different. Next I'm going to choose my palette from my New York palette. I'm going to go with my greens. I'm going to go with that aquamarine for the outer edges of my eye because I think it would make a better contrast. Making sure to get it on nice and even. Then I'm going to go with the greener color for the inside of my eye to kind of give a multi-toned color. I don't know exactly what you would call that. I'm not a makeup guru by any means. I'm just a normal, ordinary person trying to put on makeup. Like I said, one of these days I'll go to Sephora, but I need a friend to go with me so they can record the experience. Now I'm going to take this lighter green color and I'm going to put it in the crease of my eye to highlight it and make it all look better. See, that looks a lot better. Please ignore my boyfriend in the background who walked in and saw that I was doing makeup and was like, goodbye. Now I'm just taking the darkest pink in the palette and I'm polka dotting around on my vines to make it look like I got rosebuds, because you gotta have some pretty flowers for your vines, right? Once again, I'm sorry, I sound so horrible. Now I'm gonna do some blush, and this is CoverGirl blush. Yes, I'm kind of throwing it straight on top of those vines, but I mean, blush is kind of important. Gotta have them rosy cheeks, right? And I got some new lip gloss. It's Oh My Gloss. I just got this from Walmart, so I mean, it's nothing really special or fancy. It's really pretty. My dog is trying to eat my chair. I really wish I had a video recording of this right now because it's kind of actually hilarious. I'm trying to record my audio for you guys and my dog is sitting here eating my chair. Oopsie, I forgot it. So, don't forget to put your eyeliner on. Put a little mascara on the eyebrows. I don't know how anybody else does it, but for me to do my eyebrows, I actually just put some mascara on it and kind of run the eyebrow brush over it to brush it. Thanks again for watching. Give me a like, a share, and let me know what kind of products you'd like for me to try. Thanks. See ya.